Congratulations to the rated the #1 free iPhone app by 8's magazine. Now, you're local on the 8's.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 69 degrees under sunny skies with windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms possible. High 72. Winds south at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. For tonight, thunderstorms. Low 34. Winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. On Saturday, windy with a mix of rain and snow. Cold, high 34. Chance of precipitation 80%. 4 to 6 inches of snow expected. Our week ahead.